This is potato bread or fadge, and what it is just essentially a potato, mashed potato, some flour, a bit of salt, and that's it. Then we'll roll it out, and again it goes onto the griddle. So I'm going to do a couple of variations. So we'll do the plain one first. So mashed potato, all already done, bit of salt, and then just the flour. So you're really doing about 5 parts potatoes to 2 parts flour. So in flour in here, and then this is for a plain one. So there's no pretty way of doing this. You've got to just get your hands in and get it good going over. And again, a great way of using up mashed potatoes, and it's just again part of our tradition here. So potato bread, and again, like the fars, it's an essential part of the soda or the Ulster fry. Okay, so that's really what you're looking for there. So I'll make these up and then I'll roll them. So that's our plain. If we move on to this one, is called sparbled fadge. It comes from it's a friend of mine from Larne. She told me about this. So sparbled fadge has got again flour, bit of salt, and then we're going to use the cornmeal again. So, and sparbled just really means like mixture or mixed through. So a wee bit of the cornmeal. And again, there's that whole tradition of using the cornmeal that came from America, Indian bread, and this is, so you have Indian sodas, and this sparbled fadge was made just using up this. It had been brought, when they brought over initially, they used it to in like a kind of a gruel, and I don't think it went down that well, so it definitely tasted a lot better in a potato bread. And that's our sparbled fadge there. So that's the sparbled mixture. And then the other one, this is sort of peculiar to East Antrim, sort of round Ballyclare, and again potato again, and then our flour, and this one's called russell. And the russell, the bit that makes it different is oats, so oats in it. And then we'll mix that around. So I think russell again, we have a great tradition of using oats in Northern Ireland. It's one of our main cereal crops. So and again, that's something that we share with the Scottish. So we've got so russell, very very peculiar to just a particular part of Antrim, and whereas you would see Indian sodas on in bakeries, in old-fashioned bakeries, you'll never see russell. So the only way to make russell is make it yourself. So those are 3 made up now. So we just want to roll them out then, and again we're making them into a farl again. So we'll start with the plain and knead it a wee bit. You can knead this sort of to hold it together. Be gentle with the soda farls, but you can be a wee bit brutal with the potato bread. So just roll that out, just keep pressing it in. And this traditionally, now again, like the potato or like the soda farls, we'll cook it on the griddle, on a dry griddle, and then after we've cooked them, you fry them up. You can have them with butter, or you can leave them for a wee while and then fry them up. Again, bacon fat's your best way. Right, so that's our plain potato. Because there's no raisin agent in this, you can stick these straight onto the griddle, but we'll get them all lined up first so they all cook at the same time. Another wee bit of flour. And this is our sparbled fadge, sparbled potato bread. And the corn in it's lovely. Corn works really well with the potatoes. So, and again, it's one of those things that I think I've said this to a lot of people, and they said, "Oh, I've never heard of that." So it's one of those things that's really important to keep this alive, because it's part of our heritage, and it's one of those words as well that you don't hear very often. So just roll that out. A wee bit crumbly in this one because of the polenta, but we'll just keep pressing it in, and we'll do different shapes. So this one, we'll do wee rectangles in this one. Okay, put that down. So that's our sparbled fadge. And then our final one is our russell. So this is with the oats. And again, just you won't really see this anywhere, and it's not, you don't see it on restaurant menus or coffee shop menus. Should do. We should see this more, things like this. Because the oats and the spuds work really, really well together actually. And if you have that with bacon, it's a lot more interesting for your breakfast in the morning than just a regular bowl of porridge. So that's them all ready, and we'll just put these onto the griddle. Sometimes you can put a wee bit of oil in the griddle, but I'm not going to do it at this stage. I'm just going to put them straight onto the dry griddle pan. Put another wee bit of flour onto them, and then there we are. Those are ready to go.